Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Docs and confirming you're in the right account. This matters because settings are per account. Once the app is open, look for the small horizontal tab strip or a row of document thumbnails at the top of the screen. That's the tab area. If you don't see it, make sure the app is updated. Older versions show different layouts. Now, move on to closing the first visible tab so you can remove them one by one. Once you've identified the tab strip, tap a tab to focus it, and then tap the small X or swipe the thumbnail left or right to close it. That removes one doc from the strip. If you have several, long press a tab to enter multi-select mode, then tap others and choose close or remove from the contextual menu. This speeds things up. Make sure to check the app menu for a close all or recent files option to clear many tabs at once. To finish, restart Google Docs so the UI refreshes and the tab strip stays cleared. If tabs reappear, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. That removes corrupted session data. Make sure your device OS is updated and check multi-window or split screen settings because those can force tabbed previews. If nothing helps, log out and back into the account. That usually resets persistent tabs. Key tip: update the app first. Most tab bugs are fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.